Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Sealegend 2-piece dryer vent cleaning kit. So this comes with a brush, a flexible brush that we can use to get in there and kind of knock some stuff loose. Here's the hose. This is the attachment you're going to put on your vacuum cleaner, and then you're going to attach it. Okay, so first, this is kind of a rigid side here. You're going to connect it to the flexible side. And then we're going to put our vacuum cleaner in here. So we're going to stick this down in there, and then this is also a brush that you can manipulate and move any kind of, bend it any which way you want to kind of loosen the stuff up. Well, let's go see how it cleans a dryer. Okay, so you simply attach it to a vacuum cleaner. It's made to fit several different sizes. Just push it on there. It's going to seal around there. And then this is the part you're going to put in there. Now what's nice is, again, this is where the lint trap was. I take the lint trap out. And then you got this brush. You're going to brush, this brush has got like semi-stiff bristles. You're going to go down there and you're going to loosen some of the stuff up. See, we got all kinds of stuff coming up. And now you're going to turn the vacuum cleaner on. And then that way we can get it nice and clean. So let's turn the vacuum on. Okay, so again, you might have to alternate, go back to the brush. I can kind of stick it in there, get it all nice and clean. And if you've got two people, you may want to be able to, you want to do both of these at the same time, but it might be a little harder that way. Now go down there and let's clean. Okay, you can see that brush really does help it get clean. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, we can see there's some, yeah, it's really clean down in there now. That did a good job. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.